What is solar switch? The solar switch is an easy-to-follow guide that provides a straightforward start-to-finish template for anybody to use to generate affordable green energy. With solar switch, consumers no longer need to spend much money to procure a ready-made solar energy system. The creator of this digital product, Brian K., markets it as a game-changer in the solar energy industry, as it can be followed by just about anyone regardless of expertise or prior experience. The solar switch may prove to be a system that allows individuals to rid their worry about the available electricity grid and save a lot of money on the cost of electricity. This solar energy system guide solves many problems that hinder the efficient setup and use of solar energy systems. The guide provides a way to cheaply set up a solar energy system in a limited space, unlike many solar energy systems that cost so much and require so much space to set up. The hassles of maintenance are also eliminated with this guide. Solar switch pricing and money-back guarantee. This guide is available for purchase on the official website for as little as $39. A 60-day money-back guarantee covers the purchase of this guide to allow buyers to make a risk-free investment in solar energy. Solar switch conclusion. Solar energy is proving the way to go in the quest for a sustainable and cost-effective means of generating power. However, the challenges that come with it discourage individuals from exploring this form of energy. This problem is addressed with Solar Switch, which provides simple and easy-to-follow guides on setting up and running personal solar energy systems in homes.